Hello everyone! Bright morning, afternoon, and evening. Do you know about the revised rules criminal procedures Rule 117, Motion to Quash? If you don't, here a small and quick definition of every section under Rule 117, Motion to Quash. Section 1, Time to move the quash. A motion to quash, complaint, or information must be filed by the accused at any time before entering a plea. Para mapawalang bisa ang reklamo or information, maaari itong ihain ng akusado anytime bago magbigay ng sagot. Section 2, Form and Contents. A motion to quash must be in writing and signed by either the accused or their counsel para ma-determine kung legal o makatotohanan ang nilalaman nito. Section 3, Grounds. A motion to quash can be filed based on various grounds including the accused having been previously convicted or acquittal of the offense, charge, or the case against them being dismissed or otherwise terminated without their express consent. Section 4, Amendment of complaint or information. If the motion to quash is based on the alleged defect of the complaint or information which can be cured by the amendment, the court shall order that an amendment be made. Kung ang binigay na katotohanan ay hindi bumuo ng isang legal na pagkakasala, dapat ipas walang bisa ng korte ang impormasyon. Section 5, Effect of sustaining motion to quash. If a motion to quash is sustained, the court may order the filing of another complaint or information. Pero may exception, lalo na kung batayan ng motion ay maaring ayusin sa pamamagitan ng pagbabago ng dokumento. Section 6, Order sustaining the motion to quash, not a bar to another prosecution. Exception. An order sustaining a motion to quash does not typically prevent another prosecution for the same offense. Pero may exception din. Kung ang motion ay ibinatay sa tiyak na dahilan tulad ng pagtapos ng criminal action, pananagutan at pagsilbi itong hadlang panigagong prosecution. Section 7. Former conviction or acquittal or double jeopardy. The rights against double jeopardy is implemented through Section 7, Rule 117 of the Rules of Court. A motion to quash can be filed if the accused has already been previously convicted or acquittal of the offense. Ang akusado ay pwedeng maghain ng motion to quash kung siya ay nakulong na or napawalang bisa na sa parehong kaso. Section 8. Provision dismissal. A case can be provisionally dismissed upon the motion of the accused or with their express consent and cannot be provisionally dismissed without the express consent of the accused and without notice to the offended party. Pwedeng pansamantalang i-dismiss ang kaso kung may pahintulot ng akusado. And lastly, Section 9, Failure to move to quash or to allege any ground therefore. The failure of the accused to assert any ground for a motion to quash before entering a plea results in a waiver of that ground. Ang anumang batayan ng isang motion to quash ay mawawala kung hindi ibinangon ang nasasabing motion. Thank you!